How do you wear a crossback apron? I thought that this was like putting on a seatbelt, but when my son came to me and said, "Mom, will you show me how to put on this apron?" I thought, oh, okay, I'll show you, and I'm going to make a video. This is how your apron comes when you get it. I'm going to take it off the hanger and show you what it is. Okay, this is how it comes when you don't, right after you unwrap it. The straps are really long, and there's a reason for that. There's these grommets. You're going to put the strap on the opposite side through the grommet and do that for both of them. Okay, so this is how it looks. And I just put it over my head, put it through here, and voila, you have an apron that does not go around your neck, because I have big boobs and I don't like things around my neck. It just like gives me a headache. So if you're like a super skinny bitch, you can tie it in the front comfortably. I don't. I just tie it in the back. But it fits men, women, any size. That's what I love about it. And then it doesn't restrict you. Plus it's got this little place for a towel. And it's got this one for the towel that you can hang over, wipe your hands. And then it's got a big pocket. But that's how you do a crossback apron, and it makes it super comfortable, and you can wear it for hours and hours while you're cooking up that bitch.